Hey everyone! Have you ever craved a frozen drink but dreaded the hassle of using bags of ice and dealing with a noisy blender? Well, I found the perfect fix. Check out the Ninja Slushie FS301 professional maker with rapid chill technology. Whether it's margaritas, frappes, or any icy treat, just select one of the 5 preset programs and voila! With its easy-fill vessel and self-serve handle, you can enjoy your favorite drinks without the mess. And the best part? It keeps your slushies perfect for up to 12 hours. Get yours now and enjoy effortless, delicious drinks anytime.
Every heartbeat tells a story. That's something I learned the hard way. Last year, while trying to improve my fitness, I felt often uneasy. My Apple Watch Series 6, with its ECG and oxygen level features, detected irregularities that led me straight to a doctor. It wasn't just a fitness tool. It was a guardian on my wrist, preserving my health when I least expected it. If you value peace of mind as I do, don't wait. Experience this incredible companion today. See for yourself how it cares for you beyond just fitness. Want to buy? Link is in description.
Ideas. That's been my life since I got the HP 11.5 HD BrightView Chromebook. Its ultra-fast Intel processor and speedy Wi-Fi have made multitasking a breeze, and the crisp H display is a treat for the eyes. Streaming, browsing, you name it. This Chromebook keeps up without a hitch. And the best part? It's renewed under the Amazon Renewed program, so it works and looks just like new but easier on the wallet. Grab your own HP Chromebook today and experience the smooth performance firsthand. Buy now and enjoy the ride into hassle-free tech life. Want to buy? Link is in description.
Skeptical too until I got my hands on the 2020 Apple iPad, the 10.2-inch gold model. This isn't just any iPad, it's a renewed premium version that comes loaded with features like a smart connector and stereo speakers. I use it for everything, from watching movies with crystal clear sound to managing my work documents. It even has a handy 3.5mm headphone jack and supports the Apple Pencil. If you're on the fence about getting one, don't be. Grab this iPad and elevate your tech game. Get yours now and experience the magic for yourself. Buy link is the description.
Hey everyone! Just had to pop on and tell you about my new go-to gadget, the 2022 Apple iPad. This thing is a powerhouse. With its 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display, colors pop like never before, and it literally follows every move during video calls with its center stage feature. So cool for my family chats. And yes, it lasts all day without a hitch. Honestly, if you're thinking of an upgrade, grabbing this renewed iPad is a no-brainer. Get yours now and really see the difference it makes. Buy this. Link is in the description.